one after another. Presently many people spend precisely hours and hours of their time on a daily basis by watching numerous videos, and many of you who are watching this right now can probably relate. This is why in this tutorial I will show you not one, but multiple platforms you can use to make money online by watching videos. It's as easy as that. Not only will you be doing something you already do on a daily purpose, but you will actually get paid for, so you will not be expending hours of your time on a daily basis for no gain at all. If you want to make this work and set this up properly so you can make big money online, then make sure you stick around because I have multiple sites to show you and it's quite easy to get distracted and lost. And with all of that announced, dudes, let's now get into this tutorial. As I announced prior today, I will show you sites that will pay you for merely watching videos. But before I go on and show you the first one, it's also significant I will demonstrate you websites that will also pay you in different ways. So for those of you who don't want to make money by just watching videos per se, stay tuned. Without further ado, here is the first site I want to share with you guys today. It's called adwallet.com, as the name of this site somewhat indicates, and as you can see on the home page here, brands want your attention. Make 'em buy it. So this platform will pay you for watching ads in significance. What this video is all about basically. By scrolling down a bit you will be able to see more info about this website. As you can see, you will first receive a text when it's time to log in to watch a short video, handpicked just for you. This is quite an extraordinary feature. If I may add, they will not just show you any ad for you to watch. It's literally something that you will actually enjoy watching and won't be bored whatsoever. And the fact that you don't have to spend time on this site just waiting for your successive video to watch is a great addition too. You can just go about your daily activities, and if you happen to see a notification from this app, you can just open it up, watch an ad, and then go back to your day. So you don't have to spend hours at a time if you are not able to get paid with this website. Conversing with if getting paid, you can see that you will earn a minimum of $0.50 per video watched, but that this can go up to $3. Now this doesn't sound like too much money, and it really isn't. However, it is a lot of money for the work involved, or somewhat lack of work involved. Keep in mind that you will watch ads which won't be too long most of the time. You won't be investing like 30 minutes for $3. In essence, you can get paid up to $3 for watching like a 3-minute long ad. It's a really good amount of money earned for that much time and effort invested, most definitely. However, another strategy they have for you to get paid is by referring people. You can earn $1 per every single referral, as you can see below. As many of you know, I always suggest this. Main reason being is that it has the potential to make you money in passive income. What I would suggest many of you do is first off recommend the app to friends and family. They will be the ones you can persuade the easiest to check it out. What you can do from there though to get more traffic and actually earn money passively is you can search on Google for best make money online forums and sign up to as many of them as you can. What you can do on those forums then is promote AdWallet, leave posts saying stuff like I made $30 easily with this app, something like that, and just leave your affiliate link and continue to the next forum and repeat this process for like 5 forums or so. And then you can just relax and make money in the process because your posts will stay there forever. And many people might check out AdWallet via your affiliate link potentially a lengthy time since your post was published, so this can turn out to be a quite profitable passive income stream. Anyways, so you can begin making money online with AdWallet. All you would have to do is click on the sign up now button right over here, enter in a bunch of your info and start making money with the platform. The successive platform I want to share with you today, guys, is this one right here called instagc.com. Insta stands for immediately, while GC stands for gift cards, and you can see on the home page here that they will reward you in gift cards instantly, without waiting around at all. This platform, unlike the previous one I shared with you, has a bit more options, so to speak. You can make money by watching videos, but also via other means that you can see below. As you can see, you can complete surveys, watch videos, shop online to get cash back, and lastly you can entirely make money by surfing the web. Whichever one of these you go for to get paid is pretty much up to you, since after all, you do wanna do what you feel is most fun or has the least effort involved to get paid. I would personally suggest surfing the web and watching the videos. These are both activities many of you do on a daily basis and spend hours of your time doing them, but with this site here you can certainly make money online without wasting your time, which is really cool. Now the surveys I really wouldn't suggest here, as many of you know. They pay nicely, yes, but they are quite boring. I just prefer to watch videos or read something online to get paid privately. To start making money with this site, all you need to do is sign up here near the top of the home page. You can either connect your Facebook, Twitter, or Google accounts with this website to sign up with the click of a button, or if you don't wanna do that, you can just type in your username, password, and email in these boxes to sign up to the website. With all of that announced, dudes, before I go over this app and site you see on your screens right now, it's worth noting that these are bonuses, so they will not pay you by watching videos at all, but I would suggest checking them out nonetheless. The app you see on the screen right now is named BigToken, and it's an actually nice app that will pay you for essentially sharing your opinions. As is said below, simply answer surveys about your interests and lifestyle, check into your locations, connect your social media accounts, and more. You can see just below all of this how they will really pay you via PayPal. This is something I know many of you probably wanted to hear, so yes, for those wondering, PayPal is accessible with this app. Another great feature is that this will work for any phone you want to. You can see it's also available for the iPhone and not just Android smartphones. All around, guys, this is a really good app I would suggest you all try out, especially since, as you can see here, it has a 4-star rating with over 35,000 reviews, which shows that this is actually a legitimate app that will really pay you. The bonus website I have for you guys is this one here called ibotta.com, and this is a site that varies from the other two I showed you, as well as the app, in that it will not allow you to make money online, but it's a really cool platform to get cash back on your purchases, so I would suggest you all try it out nonetheless. Shopping is something we all do regularly, and so it necessarily wouldn't hurt to use a site like Ibotta to save a few dollars here and there. It will all add up definitely after some time. And with that announced, if you is the lover of similar content like this, take a look at my distinct videos, and if you love it, please break the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification horn. Catch sight of you in successive video.